Hello guys, you're welcome back to my space. My name is Vicky, as you all know, and you're welcome to Farm with Vicky. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we give our pets Zaloka medication. So guys, stay tuned and watch us do what we know how to do best. If today is your first time of seeing me, I brewed from day one to point of flay. Please follow me for more if you are interested in this kind of business. So guys, this is how they are this morning. Did they finish their water? We are going to remove it and wash it and put new water in the pen. So guys, this is the second one. Watch me as I remove their drinker from the pen. So the next now is to give them food. You can see how they are rushing it already. Before they empty their feeders. Please, if you have not followed me, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post any video, you can get notified. And please don't forget to share my video and leave a comment. Thank you. So this is the Taloka medication. We are going to be giving them two spoons. So this one is for one side, which is, we divided the beds into two. So this one is for this rubber is for one room. We're going to do another one. We've changed their drinker because they're already grown and they are pouring their water away. They are messing up the pen, so we have to change it. That's why we change it to this big one. So we used to give them just two. So we are going to give them two. Just two of it is okay for them. So now we're already putting it inside the drinker. The reason why we don't turn it is because we want to measure it so that it will be equal. So we are done. The next thing now is to put it inside their pen, one after the other. You might be wondering why we still use that small rubber. I'll show you why we do that. Because some birds are very stubborn. They will climb it and they will pull inside the water. So we have to cover it like this because they can't stand on that one. That's why we do cover it like that. And that has been very helpful. You can can see we should first share the water before we mix the other one, so that they both have warm water. For now, we're going to go and mix another one and serve them. So we've done that. You can see it's already 2 in the pen. So this 2 rubber is okay for them. They might finish. At times they used to finish it, at times they don't used to finish it. You can see we have done the other one too. So it depends on your how much your bets is. If your bets are much, you are going to use more than 1 sachet. So we have come to the end of the video. Bye for now.